איפה הבניינים האלה?
זה אנחנו.
זה אנחנו.
I've been more and more concerned with the developments of Israel. I made Aliyah from Europe 4 years ago. I created a family here. I have a daughter now. It's very important to me that my daughter would grow up in democracy like I did. And I want to protect this right for her, for me, for my daughter, for all the Israelis that love democracy. After tonight, I've been even more convinced that Benjamin Netanyahu and his government do not care about the average Israeli that they are supposed to represent. They do not care about breaking the cohesion of the IDF. They do not care about all those that refuse to volunteer in the IDF, about each of us that donate our evenings to the cause. He only wants to promote his own agenda that pleases his and his coalition partners. It doesn't matter if Israel will become an international pariah. It doesn't matter for him. He's ready to sacrifice the democracy for his own goals.